Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send emails to newly registered WordPress users. So imagine this, you have added a new user called as John in WordPress. Basically John has registered himself on WordPress. So you have John's name, email address and all those details. So you plan to send John a welcoming email. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details of John from WordPress, sort it out, create a message and manually send it on Gmail. The problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new user registers himself on WordPress, he will be automatically sent an email. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate WordPress and Gmail. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we will begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is my WordPress page and I have built a registration form. So this is the registration form. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this link of this registration form, open this in a new tab. Okay, so this is the incognito mode and I have pasted this link. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to enter some details. Okay, so the name of the email of the person is Michael Karas. Okay, so this is the guy. And these are the rest of the detail. So the first name is Michael. Okay, so this is the first name, that is Michael. And this is the last name, Karas. And the country he resides is Brazil. And this is the password of Michael Karas. And this is the username that Michael Karas is going with. That is michaelkaras123@gmail.com. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on submit. So you have to imagine that a person called as Michael Karas has made a submission. So basically he will be registered as a new user in my WordPress. Okay, so the submission is going to happen. Yes, so it is showing the user has been successfully registered. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize this. Okay, and I'm just going to show you the email of Michael Karas. So let me just refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, he has got the message, okay, paid to vault registration. So this is the site name, that is paid to vault, and he has got the message from email from me, that is my name is Aaron Manuel. Okay, so this is the message. Thank you, Michael Karas, for registering on our website, paid to vault. This is your username, Michael Karas123. So basically, this is the same username that Michael Karas has used to register himself as a WordPress user. Okay, so to begin the actual integration process in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. Pabbly.com it is. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, we are going to use an app called as Pabbly Connect to integrate WordPress and Gmail. So let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so as you can see, I did make integration, that is WordPress and Salesforce. Now this integration has also the integration of Gmail. It is actually none of your concern. I'm just going to toggle this so that I can switch this workflow off. Otherwise, we will get dual results. Okay, so it's none of your concern actually. So it's something from my end. So let us begin from scratch. So let me just click on create workflow. Okay, so we are going to enter a name. So I'm going to go with WordPress to Gmail, and let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as a trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as WordPress? Okay, because we want to send the data from WordPress, that is why. Okay, so basically now we have to set the trigger event as user register. So basically it will send the data when a user register. Okay, so user register is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? So when a new user registers in WordPress, then what action should be taken by the system? Now at present we do have a ton of trigger events like post updated, post deleted, post trash, user login. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now in case if you want more trigger triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new user registers in WordPress. So basically, the gist is we are just trying to integrate WordPress to Pabbly Connect. So to begin the integration process, there is something you have to know. You must actually install a plugin. So the name of the plugin is WP Webhooks. Okay, I repeat again. So this is the name of the plugin, WP Webhooks. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so this is the dashboard of my WordPress page. As you can see, pay to vault. Okay, and let me just go to the plugins part. And let me just click on install plugins. Now, I'm not going to really teach you how to install a plugin. You obviously know that. It's actually pretty easy. So let me just click on this plugin, okay, WP Webhooks. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing this plugin is already installed. If you really don't know how to install a plugin, all you have to do is just click on this button, add new, and basically just enter the name of the plugin that you want to install. In our case, it is WP Webhooks. So all you have to do is enter this name, that is WP Webhooks. Okay, so basically now coming to WP Webhooks, just click on settings. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, the settings page of WP Webhooks. Let it load. Okay, so here we have some choices: send data, receive data. So basically we want to set up the triggers when the data should be sent from WP Webhooks. So let me just click on send data. Okay, so it is asking a choice, that is send data on register. So basically we have to set up the whole process when a registration happens in WordPress. So that is why we are just going to click on add webhook URL. Click this. Okay, so here we have two blanks to fill, the webhook name as well as the webhook URL. So to get these details, let's have a visit to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we will deal with the webhook URL. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on copy this webhook URL. So this is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the webhook URL. Now coming to the webhook name, all I'm going to do here is just type some random name. Since we are going with Gmail integration. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. Okay, so I'm going with Gmail integration. Now let me just click on add for create user. Okay, so yes. So basically it is showing the webhook URL has been added. So basically at this point, we have integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new registration happens in WordPress, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to this particular form. Okay, so your obvious question is, how did I create this form? So well, it's actually pretty easy. So I have actually installed a plugin called as user registration. There are actually a ton of plugins for creating a user registration form. So I went with this user registration form. So it's actually pretty easy to create fields for name, email, and all those fields. Okay, so I'm going with this. I'm not going to teach you how to create a form. So basically this is the form. I'm just going to copy this link. Okay, and once again, I'm just going to open incognito mode and paste this link. Okay, so we are going to fill in the details. So let's say we are going with this person. Okay, so this is the user email, lijimanuel27@gmail.com. So the first name is Liji and the last name is Manuel. Okay, and the country she resides is, let's say, Cuba. Okay, and this is the user password and this is the username she is going with, Liji1234. Okay, so this is the username and let me just click on submit. Okay, so a user called as Liji Manuel has been added. Okay, successfully registered. So let me just minimize this. Okay, go to Pabbly Connect because Pabbly Connect is integrated with WordPress. Let's check whether it has captured this detail or not. Yes, so as you can see, we do have the details of Liji Manuel. Okay, so this is the user login, Liji1234, and this is the same, the username, and then we have the user email, lijimanuel27@gmail.com. Okay, so she's added as a subscriber. That's good. That's good. Okay, so where are the rest of the details? Yes, we have the registration, that is Cuba. And did we check for the email? So where is our email? Oh yeah, so this is the email, lijimanuel27@gmail.com. So basically we will be sending a welcoming email to lijimanuel27@gmail.com. So what we're going to do here is we are going to introduce one more action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Gmail it is. because we want to send the email. Now we do have a ton of action events. We are going with send an email. Now in case if you want more action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to simply send an email. Then click on connect with Gmail. In the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Gmail. Okay, so these are the series of Gmail accounts I have. Now I want to send the Gmail from this account, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm my choice. So before I click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. So as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to construct a message from the data that we have received from WordPress via Pabbly Connect. So let's start mapping in the details. So we do have the recipient name. So let me introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the details of the user that has registered. So we want the recipient name. So this is the first name. So I'm going to enter a blank, and where is our last name? Okay, so this is the last name. So we have the recipient full name. Okay, Liji Manuel. Then we have recipient email. So this is the recipient email. Okay, now coming from name. So basically it is coming from me. Okay, so I'm just going to type my name, and from email again this is going to come from me. So this is my email address, and I have entered it. Okay, aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com, and the email subject is pay to vault registration. Okay, so what is that? So basically this is my site name, that is pay to vault in WordPress. So that is why I have mentioned it, pay to vault registration. And the email message something like congratulations, and we are just going to map in the name once again. Okay, so where was the name? Okay, Liji. And also we can also enter the last name. So the last name is Manuel. Congratulations, Liji Manuel. Here is your username. Congratulations, Liji Manuel. Okay, so there is something else you should add for registering as a user in pay to vault. This is your username, colon, and we are just going to map in the username. So this is the username. Congratulations, Liji Manuel, for registering as a user in pay to vault. This is your username. So when I click on save and send test request, it will send this data to Liji Manuel. So let's do this. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the message or the email has been sent. So what I'm going to do here is we are going to look into the email of Liji Manuel. So this is the email of Liji Manuel. Okay, so we do have the email. Congratulations, Liji Manuel, for registering as a user in pay to vault. This is your username, Liji Manuel, Liji1234. Okay, so the presence of this mail shows that we have successfully integrated WordPress and Gmail with help of Pabbly Connect. Now, before you go away, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Gmail. So now there's a perfect flow of data between WordPress and Gmail.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.